to show you how to install the 150 lumen tactical flashlight for the 12 gauge shotgun. This one comes with the laser kit on it. As you can see here, we're using a 12 gauge mosswork. And basically this is the kit that you get. Comes with the laser kit, the shotgun mount for the 12 gauge, and the flashlight itself. There's a little box for the mount. Put that to the side. Laser, basically just slide out the top, and you get the batteries, pressure switch, and the laser itself. Flashlight comes with the tool for the mount, pressure switch also, a battery, and the flashlight itself. Let me put this to the side real quick. First thing you want to do is you're going to mount the adapter to the 12 gauge. For this, you're going to need a 3/32 Allen key. Once you have that, there you go. As you can see, we have the new kit. There you go. First thing you want to do, always, just make sure the guns are not loaded. Take out the barrel. Screw this all the way out. And it just slides right out. Put that right here. Now, just to make sure when you put the mount on this gun itself, you want to make sure that the form is all the way to the front. That way you see how much room you have to work with. As you can see, this is the mount. It basically just slides in. There you go. Now once you have it, just want to tighten it all the way in. And you have to make sure it's nice and tight, because that recoil is gonna kick them out. Now once you have that, line it up. And there you go. As you can see, it has a little space to work with. Now once you have that done, you want to put the barrel back in. Screw it all the way in, make sure it's nice and tight. Now you want to line it up. Once you have it lined up, give that last tight, last squeeze. There you go. Now to mount the flashlight, what you want to do is you want to get the flashlight, get the battery. The battery, make sure you put it positive first, and just make sure you tighten it all the way in. Make sure it's nice and tight. This mount, as you can see right here, it comes with 3 Allen screws. You're basically just going to work with the side ones. The middle one is just to keep the flashlight nice and tight with the mount. Let me take out the tool. Pretty easy installment. All you have to do is just slide it in. Now once you have it at the point that you want it, you basically tighten it all the way in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, remember just the side ones, you don't want to mess with the middle one. So you can see it's nice and tight. Now, let me install the laser. Okay, the laser, pop it out, move this to the side a little bit. You take out the 3 batteries, put that to the side. Positive in also, first, 3 in a row. Make sure it's nice and tight. There you go. Same thing with this one. It has 3 screws. You only want to work with the side ones. Same thing. You just slide it. And the 2 side ones. Make sure they're nice and tight. Now this adapter also gives you so you can put something else on the bottom. We already have a flashlight and laser, so you really don't need anything else. And pretty powerful, so show you how it is. That's the flashlight and the laser. If I turn off the flashlight, you'll be able to see the laser. And there you go. There you have it. Nice little setup.